Hi, we will understand the program of creating a node. So we made a node here, node star head. We are seeing into main, and we are pushing one by one element into the linked list. This push function and this deleted function, these two we will see. Print is simple. I think you will be knowing that. So we will see this push function, and this push function takes the address of head. So suppose these are the linked list, and head is pointing to the first element, but there will be something which will be the address of head also. That ampersand head, ampersand symbol means address of some variable. So ampersand head means address of head itself, and head having the address of first node or pointing to first node of linked list. Okay, I will make it a 1, 2, 3 so that it is a 1, 2, 3 node of linked list. So we are pushing ampersand head. Okay. Now we will delete this and move to the function push. Move to the function push. So let's see the function push. In function push, we are having a pointer to head, means something which is address of head also, like I showed you ampersand head, right? But when you declare it, you made it as node star head, means head is a pointer to node, means something which is pointing to node of linked list, its address and its address, that is a starting of node star head while declaring. So that you understood. Okay. Now we'll make a new node which is temp. Okay, that is this line. The next line is node star last. So we are making one more node which is last, which name is last. And already we had one node which is head, right? Head we know already we have. Now the second line, node star last, it's equal to star head. Actually, one more thing we know, suppose these are the linked list element. Okay, I'll write 1, 2, 3 just to make it as the first, second, third node, but it will have data 5, 3, 6, 2, 7, something will put data, right? So head will always point to first node. So if they are writing this line star head is equal to star last, that means whatever head is pointing to, last is also pointing to. Okay. So head will become equal to last, and temp data is equal to val. Now we will put some value which was input from here into temp. So value we are putting val, and next is null of temp. Now this two also executed. Now if star head is equal to null, which is wrong, star head is not equal to null here. We have star head is something which is the first node of linked list. Now this while loop is the main part. So what will happen? I will draw the diagram again. So we have seen these things. This was head, this was temp, this was last. Okay. And this was our linked list. Now head and last both pointing to first element. Okay. So head next is equal to last next basically. So while it is saying last next not equal to null. So last next not equal to null, obviously this is not null. Last is pointing to something here. Then last is equal to last next. So last will become equal to last next. So basically first node will become equal to last node. That is the statement, means this statement. Okay. Basically first node and last node are basically equal. Same, they are both copy of same node. Same each other. So also last next will become equal to temp, in which value we had already had value, right? So last next will become equal to temp. So basically first node will become equal to temp. So now the linked list will have the value and next pointer, which was null here, right? We have made temp as null. So next pointer was null. So basically this first node, whatever we have supposed for the linked list first element, this last and this temp all became equal. Okay. Now last next is not null, still not null, right? So because 1 and 2 have already have this each other's address, so last next also is pointing to second element, right, of element linked list. So last next not equal to null, so last is equal to last next. So last will now become equal to second node here. And again last next is equal to temp. So last next is this one only. So temp will become equal to, one second, I will erase some part. One second. So last next is equal to this 2. So this is last node. And last next is equal to temp. So temp also become equal. So whatever was value in this is put into second node. And its next will be null. So next value will fill up here and next will be null. This way we are inserting the value. We delete all this and we will now see the delete node. So for delete node, we know that we have given this 5, 6, 8, 2, 7 value in the linked list. Okay. So let's write these values. This is 5, this is 6, this is 3, this is 8, this is 2, this is 7. Okay. Now we have to delete this 3 node. Temp is basically this 3 node, okay? Now if temp is equal to null, then there is no point of deleting, because if the node itself is null, we can't do anything. So this part is of no use. This part is of no use. Means it is required for error checking if linked list is empty itself. If temp next also is equal to null, then also we have to delete like last node, then will not return anything. Okay, that's why it's empty. This else part is important. So what we'll do, we'll make a delete. We'll make a delete node which is equal to temp next. So temp is this one, and delete, we're making a node called delete. Delete and 8 this temp next. Temp next was this one, right, till now. So delete and this 8 will be this next node of temp. Temp is this 3 nodes, so next is 8. This line says delete is equal to del node is equal to temp next. So del and 8, basically these two become same node, and same means a copy of each other. So third next is 8 also, and third next is del also. Now temp data. Temp data means this part's data equal to del data. Del data will also be 8, right, because these are copy of each other. So in this temp data, this del data means 8 will be copied. Okay. And temp next. Temp next was till now this 8 node, but temp next, this thing temp next means 8, this nodes next will become del next, and del next will be equal to 2, because del and 8 are same. So 8 next was 2, so del next also is 2. So So basically this thing's next will be this 2 here. And next statement is delete this del. So del is deleted. So 5, 6, 8, 2 and 8 next will be this 2 and 2 next will be this 7 and so on. So basically we have deleted the center of this 3 node and directly bypass this extra 8 to 2. So 5, 6, 8, 2 will be printed. This is how this delete node was working. If any confusion you can ask me again. I will make one more tutorial. Okay, thank you.